DOLA Custom Prescription Education, the Instructions section. Behind the design, Instructions. This section of the presentation will explore how to use the Instructions section for additional notes, drawings, and to select your delivery options. It is impossible to provide all prescription options on an A4 form or even on an online form. The Instructions section allows practitioners to provide more information. This could be description of paths, further footwear information, information on the pathology, or asymmetrical prescription information when they want two prescriptions for the left and right feet to be significantly different. It also allows them to ask questions or ask for a call to discuss this prescription. The drawing section allows them to draw paths and is often a skeleton. This section can also be used to indicate a dispense date or choose an express service. DOLA Orthotics has a standard 5 working day turnaround time. However, express 24, 48 and 72-hour service is available. The more information you can provide to your orthotic lab, often the better the orthotic outcome. Additional information that we commonly receive includes clinical photography, templates, and previous orthotic details. We regularly receive clinical photography or videos from our clients. This allows us to help with prescription support or provide details on pad locations, groove or divot locations, additional footwear information, or provide plantar pressure reports. Templates can also be very useful. It could be a template of the footwear that we're fitting, allowing us to get to the correct size to minimize dispense adjustments. Templates can also be used to indicate EVA underskives, or pad locations, or pad details in terms of shape or design. They can indicate the locations for offloading, or divots, apertures, and accommodations. If you're trying to copy a successful orthotic, key measurements should be provided, including the length, forefoot width, mid-device width, heel cup height, medial arch height, lateral arch height, and high point positions. It is also useful to send a photo series. This allows us to identify any orthotic features and match them. Thank you for watching the DOLA Custom Prescription Education videos. In this series, we looked at shell selection, digital corrections, and finishing. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA Custom manual at dolaorthotics.com.
DOLA Orthotics is your one-stop solution for custom orthotics, prefabricated orthotics, and DIY orthotic supplies. DOLA Orthotics has been supporting Australian podiatrists for over 20 years. We offer open access to all of our education and training, including custom and prefabricated manuals, YouTube channels, and regular Facebook and Instagram posts. Our team of podiatrists is here to support you with all of your clinical orthotic needs.
Visit dolaorthotics.com for more information.